Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to do what? To install TeamViewer on your Ubuntu operating system. So some people can come here on what? Software Center and say we look for TeamViewer. And that's something you don't get. You see, when you don't get it here, okay, then you say copy and close that. Something that you can go to terminal and say, let me say clear, say sudo apt-get install, then you put the package you're looking for, which is TeamViewer. Okay, then you say enter. Unable to locate package. So all those methods don't work. So what you do for now, you can go to what they call www.teamviewer.com/English US EN, then /download, then / it's gonna be Linux, then you enter. I don't think I got something right here. Why it takes me to TeamViewer? Okay, let me go to TeamViewer.com. You enter. Okay, let's see if we can find something for Linux here. Go to download. Okay, it gives you Linux. Okay. So you can take this one, 62, 60 what? 64. Good. Once that is done, we can close this and go to our downloads. You can see in downloads, we can see TeamViewer. So when we right click, let's see, open with other applications, install, open with install software. Okay, we do that. This should be Software Center. Okay, after that, then you do install. To ask you for the password, then you authenticate. Preparing to install. Okay guys, since you've seen that that works, we're gonna test our TeamViewer then. How do you test it? We're gonna close here. Okay, and then we go to Software Center. No, to setting, then we say TeamViewer. You can see our TeamViewer is here. Double click it. See, I say accept. Continue. Yeah, you can see it's 100% here. So you can see you can now use your TeamViewer. I'm sorry, the voice is trying to get dead. But anyway, that's it. So I hope that helped, guys. So you can give now a person your ID and your password, or he can give you his ID and his password to log in. So a lot of people been asking. Someone gave me a call and say, how do you install TeamViewer here? And some people, what they did is they went to terminal, as I showed you. That doesn't work. And also some went to Software Center, which did not work. So now if we can see, let's see if we can see installed software. We can see TeamViewer. Maybe we should update. Getting updates. It's up to date. Okay, we can close that and look for Software Center again. Okay, it's fine. It's not there, but it's there. What we do to get a quick access, you can say TeamViewer. No, not to. I don't want to add. I want to set TeamViewer, like TeamViewer. Then I want to add it to favorite. It's gonna be on my taskbar. Okay. Then escape here. Escape everything. Yeah, you can see if I'm going here, my TeamViewer is here. Just double click here and that access it. That's simple, very simple. Yeah, in that case, we're done with that, how to install TeamViewer on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.